With the inverted jigsaw, I cut along the template's contour and finish with the sanding disc. My thickness sander's drum will be great for sanding all the curved parts. I drill holes in the utensils so I can hang them on a rack, as well as these holes in the skimmer. Time to carve the bowl of the spoon. I mark the circumference as a guide and start gouging from the center, working my way to the edge using a carving chisel. After turning the spoon over, I give shape to the bag with a rasp. I'll try to leave the chisel marks as decoration. I've seen the effect on many occasions and think it looks pretty. I'll follow the same steps with the skimmer. I'll try giving shape to the backside with a belt sander. The part of the belt that doesn't have the metal piece behind it is perfect for these curved bits. Now I'll keep working the handle. I mark a rebate and try to do it with a thickness sander. I need to raise the spoon on one end as high as the amount of wood that needs to be cut. It's easier to do it this way. I finish shaping the skimmer with a thickness sander, and finally by hand with files and sandpaper. For the sake of convenience, I want to give the skimmer and spatula a bit more curvature, which I'll do with this bending iron. Since this is a bit of a long process, I'll make another video detailing it. I'll save a lot of material this way. Now all that's left is to apply some pure linseed oil and of course test out our new utensils in the kitchen.